Lose belly fat in 14 days, home workout challenge. Hey everyone, and welcome. Get ready to torch that belly fat with this incredible 14-day workout challenge. We're going to sculpt your core and boost your confidence, all from the comfort of your home. No equipment needed, just you and your determination. This is a 6-minute blast of energy designed for maximum impact. We'll be doing each exercise for 30 seconds, followed by a short rest. Are you ready to transform your body and feel amazing? Let's do this. All right, let's get those muscles warmed up and ready to go. We'll start with some arm circles, nice and easy, forward circles for 30 seconds. Now, reverse those circles. Keep your core engaged and your breathing steady. Feel that blood flowing. Next, let's do some torso twists. Gently twist from side to side, keeping your feet planted. This will loosen up your spine and prepare your core. Okay, time to fire up that core. First up, we have crunches. Lie on your back, knees bent, and hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground, focusing on squeezing your abs. Remember to breathe. Exhale as you crunch up. Inhale as you lower back down. Keep that core tight. Next, we're moving into leg raises. Lie flat on your back and lift your legs straight up towards the ceiling. Lower them slowly, without letting them touch the ground. Feel the burn in your lower abs. This is where the magic happens. Keep pushing. You've got this. Now, let's get into Russian twists. Sit with your knees bent and lean back slightly, keeping your back straight. Twist from side to side, touching the ground beside you. This one really targets those obliques. Keep twisting and breathing. You're doing great. Time for plank. Get into a plank position with your forearms on the ground and your body in a straight line. Hold it tight, engaging your core, glutes, and legs. Don't let your hips sag. Keep that body straight as a board. You can do it. Next up, bicycle crunches. Lie on your back, hands behind your head, and bring your elbow to the opposite knee. Alternate sides, mimicking a bicycle motion. Keep twisting and crunching. This is a fantastic exercise for your entire core. Push through. Finally, we have flutter kicks. Lie on your back and lift your legs a few inches off the ground. Flutter your legs up and down, keeping your core engaged. Feel that burn. This is the last exercise of the core workout. Keep fluttering those legs. Great job. You made it through the core workout. Now, let's cool down and stretch those muscles. Start with a gentle stretch, reaching for your toes. Hold that stretch for 30 seconds, feeling the tension release in your hamstrings. Breathe deeply and relax. Now, let's do a cobra stretch. Lie on your stomach and push up with your hands, arching your back. This will stretch your abs and lower back. Hold that stretch for 30 seconds, feeling the stretch in your core. You did an amazing job today. Congratulations on completing day 1 of the 14-day belly fat challenge. Remember to do this workout every day for the next 2 weeks, and you'll see incredible results. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and believe in yourself. Don't forget to drink plenty of water and eat a healthy diet to maximize your results. You've got this. See you tomorrow for another amazing workout. Let's get those abs.